Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. What day is it? It's
Friday.
no day number 9. Hi, everyone. And so let's go ahead and get started.
And Martha's up first tonight.
Yes, the canvas is never blank. It's full of opportunities.
Oh, there you go. I like that.
I like that too. Oh, this one is very spring-like. It's like a peach color with a little bit of brown in it. It's not like a bright peach. And it's got little daisies on it. Super cute.
Very nice. So you got any idea what you got to do with that one yet?
No, I'll leave that for future Martha to decide. That's my new phrase.
All right, let's see what I have for Miss Day 9. Will it make Friday proud? Okay, something different. It almost looks like wood or bamboo or something like that. So I can go ahead and make little huts out of this for my Hawaiian Island quilt that I'm apparently starting to make really soon.
You're gonna have to find a pattern, something Hawaiian themed.
I'll just make my own up. I got this like little thing going in my head. I got the volcano in the side, and now I'm gonna have the hut down by the. All I need now is some green, some blues, and some sands for the beach.
You know what? Day 10 and day 11 might have that for you.
Yeah,
What are you gonna do if it does?
I'll be making a Hawaiian quilt, apparently.
I love it.
I was a big fan of the show Lost, so maybe I'll make a Lost themed quilt. I can have like the smoke monster and all the other sort of stuff. So who knows? Maybe this will be going somewhere.
Yes. Tell us, what do you think? Do you think we're going more Hawaiian themed here? Or is it going to be something completely different tomorrow? All right.
Good.
Is it Friday?
It is
Friday. Friday?
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes.
Guess who comes on at 7 o'clock?
That is our friend Becca.
Oh, and she's not going to be on tonight.
Oh.
I think she has something going that she won't be on. Last Friday. Yeah, we'll have to double check. I can't remember.
Well, if she's on, go watch Becca. If not, go watch one of her old videos, or watch one of my old videos, or one of Martha's.
Yeah.
There's always plenty.
Yeah, or I mean, how's everybody liking these ugly Christmas quilts that the content creators are making? Do we want to chit chat about that for a minute?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's an absolutely fantastic collaboration that they put together. From what I understand, it was Tracy at the Sewing Channel's brainchild, and
Oh, really?
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she was the one that started it off, and yeah, if you haven't checked those out, definitely do so. They've got some they got a really cool giveaway. Apparently, you have to find a secret word from each person each day for 12 days, and then you can enter on everybody's channels. So you got 12 chances to win 12 different quilts. So yeah, definitely go do that. So yeah, if Becca's not on tonight, maybe your best option after watching Martha from my videos is go check theirs out.
I love it. All right. So I hope y'all have a wonderful evening, day, night. So we'll see you on the next video.
All
Good
right,
night.
have a good Friday.
Bye.